Hey everybody, welcome to the video. It's Wednesday and we're getting back into our routine of doing our weekly videos now that I'm not dying from the flu, because that was really bad. I missed you. I hope you all missed me as well. So before we get started on this week's technique, all of our hours this week are the same except for Sunday. This Sunday, the 25th, we are going to be doing 3 classes, all painting, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And all proceeds from that day are going to benefit the ACLU. If you can't make it to the event, but you still want to donate to the fundraiser, we are taking donations and we will add them to the pot. Let us know if you need a receipt. We're happy to give one. Also, for anybody that seems to be confused out there, the ACLU is the American Civil Liberties Union. They hold no party affiliation. If the government comes and unrightfully takes your guns, the ACLU will help you. They don't care who you voted for. They just care that you live in this country, your rights have been broken, and you need help. If that is something that you would like to donate to, we are here to help. Okay, so that said, we're doing pendulum pours this week. Fun stuff. We get to swing this little bucket around. Woohoo! Okay, so let's get to it. This is gonna be in my face and it's gonna bug me, but.
So you've got a 16 by 20 canvas there.
Everybody's getting a 16 by 20 canvas this week. You can upgrade to a larger size if you want, but the 16 by 20, it just makes for a better pattern with the pendulum, so we don't want you to have to try to work it on a smaller board. You can if you like. Choice is yours. But we're going to start everybody off with the upgrade of 16 by 20 at no charge. Okay, thank you for cluing that in on me. So I'm going to do a pour and then a pendulum. That's my thing. Instead of just coating my canvas with one color, I want there to be sort of a pattern on the back. So I'm going to dirty pour some of this dark turquoise and berry purple.
And those both happen to be metallics.
These are both metallic colors. Now, this week, I want you to be aware that we're not really going for cells. I do have the metallics because they're great fun, but you're not going to really get a lot of cells with this technique. So that should do it.
Will it for the 16 by 20?
I think it will.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to pour this on here. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, could I have the clicky thing, please? Thank you kindly. Poppity, 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 poppity. Now, we are popping bubbles with the heat in front of the fire, not the fire itself. This is very important if you try this at home. Okay, now we're going to tilt this up. Maybe I will not have enough. Maybe Sean was right. That's okay. We can do it again.
I'm due for a chance to be right.
You've been right for the past 3 weeks while I haven't even been here. Yep. A little bit more. Green and berry. And green. Don't worry, if I use these colors, I will make more. I will not leave you stranded. Alrighty.
Very cool. Because you used all the same colors, you can not really tell where the difference
Correct.
is. So satisfying.
So we want this fairly thin on the top because once we put the pendulum paint on there, we're not going to tilt it or move it at all. So we want a fairly thin coating of paint on there so it dries nice and even. Okay, that's done. I like that. I'm happy with just that, actually. We're done. Pass over.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for coming.
See you this week.
So now I'm going to use some sparkle and some tidy whitey.
That's titanium white.
Yes. And some of this turquoise and some gold.
If you're going to use turquoise, you have dark turquoise in the background. Should you use a bright red too?
I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use go with the same theme. These two colors
Okay.
and these two colors. Lighter on darker. Okay, so now we have a cup with a hole in it and a piece of tape on the bottom. So we're going to go purple, turquoise. Now you can do this dirty pour style if y'all remember what that is, which means that's kind of how I did the base of that, just pouring it in. I'm layering it, and it should stream the colors out one after the other. And just one more layer of color. And I think that should do it. It's probably more than enough. Now, we're gonna sit this puppy in here. Nice and snuggy like a buggy. Gonna get these out of the way because I'm about to make a big old mess.
You should center the canvas under the pendulum.
I will. I just have to move this stuff first. Now we're gonna center this way. I need to pop a few more bubbles. Can you? Thank you. All right, and so now let's test this out. Okay, are we ready?
We're ready.
Pull the tape. And you can push it if I want to make it a bigger thing.
Change the pattern mid-swing. Where's that purple?
It's coming.
We'll be right back after these 15 minutes of messages. So this would be the perfect time for the next person in line to get their colors together.
Correct. Come on, purple. When it starts doing purple, I'm going to change the pattern, I think.
Okay.
Oh, we'll let it get to the middle.
I see there's some purple in those green stripes. When I'm zoomed in close, I can see them.
Maybe we can fast forward this part, unless people want to watch the satisfaction.
We'll do both. We'll put up a reel that's fast forwarded, and we'll allow people to see. Whoop! Hello, right at me. We'll allow people to see the fast forwarded one to see the completed painting. So if you've joined us this far, just know that we are open Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday, all classes proceeds will go to the ACLU. Nancy,
Proud to do it. Happy
proud to do it. Ask us questions if you have any questions.
The most American thing you can do right now.
Yep. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comments. And we hope to see you this week and possibly twice if you come on again on Sunday. And thank you for joining us. And now you can go watch the fast forwarded one if you want to. I'll just keep recording so we can put them in both places. Still doing blue.
Still doing blue. Guess I put too much blue in. Unless the blue's lighter than the purple. No, purple.
Maybe the blue's surrounding the purple, because there is some purple in those lines.
Yep.
I can see the purple in there.
It actually looks really cool where the purple is. Can you see right here?
Hmm.
Still waiting for gold too.
I think everybody should do thinner layers.
What do you mean?
You did kind of big squirts of each color. Maybe you
Yeah,
don't need
yeah.
big squirts.
Actually, let me see something. Let's see if this works.
I do see purple. I swear there's purple in here.
You see it, it's right there.
It's right here. You can see it coming out.
It's just blending, I think, with the
Surrounded by the blue.
background color. But it's looking like lightning, which is really kind of cool, like here.
Yeah.
You could probably do bigger holes in the cups too.
I will make sure that we have bigger holes if we need them.
Whoop. Whoop. All right, I think I'm done with this. I think that looks pretty cool. We'll let it swing a couple more times, and then we'll take you in for a close-up. Okay, so we're going to take that. I'm going to bring this out of its little cradle. Oop, sorry. And that's the close-up of a pendulum pour.
Have you ever done one of these? Have you experienced this before? Do you think you could do better? Do you think with instruction you could do as good as Nancy?
No, I'd like to see you try.
Really, we would love to see you
I would
try.
love to see you try.
Come and see us Wednesday 3:30 and 6:30.
Thursday 3:30 and 6:30. Friday 3:30 and 6:30. Saturday 12, 3 and 6, and then Sunday at 1, 3 and 6. And all proceeds on Sunday from classes go to the ACLU, along with any donations that you might lovingly want to send along. So, with all of that, please stay artsy.
Stay fartsy.
Have a colorful week.